Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to adjust the clasp size. Two ways how I'm doing. The main thing you need is a patience. When you do the first time, it's tricky. It's gonna be a bit tricky. I think from the second time it will be more simple. So current size is a big. It's a standard clasp. Standard unbranded, but most common watches that has such clasps, and just one system such as Omega and Longines, they got all similar clasps. Even old Rolex, it's a rotary watch. So I'm using the screwdriver and the toothpick. Also use the claws. So actually you can do it just with the toothpick. Open the clasp and you can try to do it one by one. First, press the spring bar. Yeah, you hear the noise. So you hold the clasp and they catch the hole. Yeah. So one side, you see how it looks like. Now the top. Pushing. So next, catching the second hole. Yeah. So that's how it looks now when you do it one by one. Okay. One more time. I know it's gonna be not so simple first time. So that's how it looks like now in the middle. So why you're using the screwdriver, I'll show you now. What could happen when you push the spring bar, and if you will not catch the hole, it might just jump. You will never find it, right? So the second, how you can adjust the clasp for the it's not the fastest way, but it's just another way. So sometimes it jumps more than that. So take off the spring bar. Yeah, that's how it looks like now. For example, you fit the watch, you know the length. So I'll put anywhere, no matter for now. I recommend you to do it my way. So hold the bottom side first. Try to find the right position. Yeah, when you feel like bottom hole is in position, hold it with your fingers take the screwdriver and press the spring bar and push, slightly pushing. So again, now you're catching only the top hole. So that's how I adjust the size. Let's see the watch now. Yeah, much better. Thanks for watching.